to boost sports infrastructure and youth engagement in the 19th South Shillong Constituency, MLA and Chairman of the Meghalaya Tourism Development Council, Sanbor Shullai, has turned his attention toward the young generation. As part of his New Year initiative, Sanbor Shullai today laid the foundation stone for a football ground with artificial turf at Madan Laban with an allocated budget of Rs 5.26 crore. The project, funded by the Directorate of Sports and the State Sports Council of Meghalaya, features a modern standard-sized football ground. It also includes amenities such as drainage systems, preparation zones, seating areas, and office and fitness spaces. The Madan Laban Village Council extended their gratitude by presenting tokens of appreciation to officials from the sports department, acknowledging their efforts in bringing this significant development to the area. During the inauguration, Sanbor Shullai highlighted the decline in football activities at Laban Sports Club following the loss of its earlier ground and expressed hope that this new facility will reignite the club's glory. He emphasized the importance of engaging the youth through sports to channel their energy positively. To ensure proper upkeep, Sanbor Shullai announced that the management of the ground would be entrusted to local stakeholders, including community councils, women's organizations, and youth groups. This move aims to safeguard the ground against misuse, especially by individuals involved in drug-related activities.
Basa yung kadang-kadang kadadin bakaladat ngarong sedong kandon pada agreement kita bakit sa sign jointly buat Sanbor Shullai Sports Club second day bersing samla Madan Laban kumgi guardian iban take care iban ri iban sumar iban regulate iban penyat eka bakarum deju kemadan kaba mo lain-lain kaba kilaban rung banyak di drugs dikia ya lagi kampuman penumrong suadin meladat naklian ke jopi South Organization Sanbor Shullai Sport Club secretary sing samla kan sering ke agreement ke bapin ya sign bapin mobi di guardian di try ban pet ban riban sumar but aga por bereka kinder di terms and condition ke bapin siate naklian ke jopi South League Committee ba pin khang le kapor pinsya penyelekai kapur, badru bapinum kemau ba, kat kumgi guideline hi kalong ba, hadin peladap nolong sedong, di activities hakan kemadan, kalong betam ke sports activities, kimnum dan suga activities bapin, asnadara bapin, ye perlong, lesium ke cherry blossom bapin esya, kecakasat, kafir, kecakai lesuha. Ngihang niya lagi guru boleh ngidot kemarin raj kemarin school juga kumi kita lagi bam nasional juga pengidia simbentar manusia mah belum Sanbor Shullai kerang bangin ngenwara yang kenam bukan long kawin ni Madan hapo raj juga le siapa sor kebala mau hasor kalau kebejenjar mau pinjau ajakan kini di guruku juga ni alam senong juga